In the last video, we showed you the stunning walk from Hotel Punta Islita to the beach. This time, we're making a popular cultural dish.
Hola.
Hola, bienvenidos. Mi nombre es Joet. Y empezamos primero lavándonos las manos aquí para pasar luego a... Se los voy a explicar en español. Si no entienden cualquier cosa, lo podemos explicar un poquito en inglés. Okay. El mazamorra es un tipo de flan de maíz morado. Entonces consiste en primero molerlo en la máquina. Hay que molerlo, vamos a moler. Después de molerlo, lo colamos aquí y después se cocina en el juego.
Okay, so we're gonna grind this up.
Primero hay que moler. Aquí hace.
Wow. Maybe you can stay and help them.
Primero vamos a echar un poquito de agua. Aquí vamos con agua. Esto lo repasamos acá ya. Listo. Esta es la consistencia. Muy fino. Vamos.
Time to get baking.
Ahora vamos echando ahí para que se cocine. Un poquito de agua. More. The taste, the sugar. More. O si quiere probarlo.
Sure, that's good. More tart.
Very good.
Excelente. Listo. No más.
That's it. And now a word from our sponsor, Marriott Bonvoy. If you're a Marriott Bonvoy member and you're using points to book your stay here, whether it's all points or a mix of points and dollars, you get access to an incredible amount of different activities, from going to see turtles, a mixology class, art classes, a canopy zipline, nature walks, bird watching, monkey quest, a cooking class, cooking demonstration, horseback riding, and so much more. Anchored in the mountains of Punta Islita, surrounded by kind nature and with a privileged view of the sea, the Hotel Punta Islita Autograph Collection offers a combination of comfortable rooms and 7 fully equipped villas for the enjoyment of families and groups of friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. We're almost done with the cultural immersion experience here at Punta Islita, and it was so amazing.
This is a cool excursion for sure. I didn't expect to love it so much. You learned a lot. You're in the rainforest. You're just around some very nice people that live a completely different life than we do. And wow, they're very rich in culture. I'm a little jealous.
Their culture is so beautiful. Everything that they do, how they use the resources that they have, it's just absolutely incredible. What is the name of this dish again?
Mazamorra.
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 We're about to try our mazamorra that we just made. We had a little taster earlier, but now we get to dig in. Thank you
Sorry.
so much. No worries.
No
at all.
problemo.
Yeah, at first it was like a liquid consistency, and then as we stirred and cooked it, it got thicker, and we added sugar and salt to it, and it was super simplistic and a process to make, but let's see how it tastes. It's really yummy.
It's like a sweet corn pudding, which sounds very odd, especially compared to food in America, but it's actually really good.
Ok, vamos a cantar 3. 1, 2, 3. Cumpleaños feliz, cha, cha, cha. Te deseamos a ti, cha, cha, cha. Cumpleaños a ti. Cumpleaños feliz. Sople la vela. Pide un deseo.
Join us next time as Joe Molina takes us on a tour of the rooms and villas at Hotel Punta Islita. And make sure to hit that subscribe button for more travel content from Matt and I.